Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to use most compatible photo format for ChatGPT on Mac. So some app and services work better with widely supported image formats. That's where the most compatible option comes in. When you choose this setting, macOS convert your photos to a format that's most likely to work across different apps and platforms before they are shared. This can help avoid compatibility issue when sending image to ChatGPT or other supported apps. So if you'd like to use most compatible format to export ChatGPT image, then click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side panel, scroll down and then go to privacy and security. Here go to photos and then click on the option button right to ChatGPT. After that, click on the drop down menu right to format and then choose most compatible. And finally click on done. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.